Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area. Area is the measure of the amount of flat surface which is contained within the boundaries of a flat shape. The shapes we will look at in this video will have straight or curved lines, so they can be either straight lines or they can be curved lines or a combination of both. Some areas in real life. The term area is used often in real life. We are familiar with some or all of the following descriptions. We often hear of the grassed area. Now at school you might have grassed areas. This is a beautiful grassed area here inside the boundaries of a home. It must be a large block of land, and that's a beautiful grassed area. You can also have a grassed area in a park. A play area. This could be maybe at a preschool, or it could be a place where they have play groups, or it just could be a play area anywhere. Okay, but it's a common term where little kids have all these little toys and they play here, and it's called a play area. Parking area is very common. They could be outside shopping centres, or you can have a parking area at a school, for example. Different shapes and their areas. So we have a tennis court, which is a large rectangle, so we can always work out the area of that. There are sports ovals, a combination of straight lines, and there's some curves here, so we can work out the area there. Writing paper, you're all familiar with that. We can quite easily work out that area. Here's a stop sign in the form of an 8-sided shape. Here is a window with plenty of small windows, and then you've got that large rectangle there, and you've got 3 large rectangles, and you've got all these little windows here. So we can work out the area of the individual windows, or that section there, or we could work out the whole area there. Whichever is required, we can work that out. Bench tops are very familiar. You need to know the area of a bench top. That sort of tells you if you're tiling it or putting granite or a special type of wood, you need to know the area. Why is area important in real life? Here are some examples to tell us why area is very, very important in real life, and there are many others. If tiling is required, we need to know the area. This tells us how many tiles we must buy. So these individual tiles here, they're quite large, they're beautiful. And if we know the area of the floor, we know how many of these we must order. Painters must know the area of a wall so that they can order the correct number of paint tins. And they also need to know the area of the ceiling too. If turf needs to be laid, the exact area must be known. This allows the correct amount of turf to be ordered. Knowing the right area saves time and money. So that means you can quickly go down to the shop, that is whatever shop sells this turf, and you can buy the correct amount, and you don't pay too much money because you've got the correct amount. So you don't over order, or you don't waste time by under ordering. In order to fix a broken window, knowing the correct area enables the glazier to complete the job quickly and efficiently. So they are just a few examples why area is important, and I'm sure you can think of many, many others.